We arrived in Peniche, we found a surfing school and we're going to do this adventure, first time for us, all of us here. So we're going to do surfing. We're following our guide at the moment to go to the beach. So let's see how this adventure is going to be. Unfortunately, we're not going to show this, so afterwards I will tell you how the experience was surfing in Peniche here in Portugal. Stay tuned and keep on following us, this adventure in van life in Portugal.
متى نلخو تطلع
ايش في رايك؟ كان الذهب فوق البويه
مالدي فوق الايروبلان طلعتك الدار ده ما عندي طلعتك
رولينج
زومنا عنين زومنا
لا مش ده
هلا لك فوق
First time.
first time
We did the surfing here in Peniche. How did you feel? Did you go surfing?
not too bad for the first time I guess.
Not so bad. You can experience surfing as well and get a 15% discount off from Ocean by being a member of Wondernet. Wondernet is an online community app for travelers and adventurers, where one can share stories and experiences and many more. So join and become a Wondernet member by signing up in the link in the description below. And now you can continue watching our fun in Peniche doing surfing.
الجيم مش فوق
دورك
احنا كيف حنبدا على رنا
شيء ولا منهم تعرفك اخذ بايك دقيقة وخلوه راسك +1 دقيقة
sorry hell وسترس مول فوق
لا لا ورايا تيو Ora lì quel ma lontella ci cade rispicciò per il boss. Vera vera.
No ما انا قول حتى لعبت
خلي دي.
بشين قاعد
Sai da sette che c'è buono.
And you?
No, شيء لا في شيء. دق الهلمت دق الهلمت. شلون هذا دق الهلمت. هذا سكاجا ويس. كيف هذا طيبه.
So, we just wore this suit.
again
The gear.
we are playing on the blue team
بس ابدني انا قلت انا فيك انا فيك
ده انا منزل خد شوف الله تدخل روحه راوي
يا راسي من
لا
Oh shit! Oh shit! جبوني نينجا ساعة انت زي زوفوت الان بس باتي بالبولتو ولا دي؟
مو في النار على جبيري
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very tight.
Thank you.
Very tight. I'm feeling very tight as well in this.
Det är right
How are you feeling?
Awesome.
Awesome. Live كمان نشاط tight.
Like
feeling
we
good.
Like
You have to wear this. Say yeah.
again.
So we're gonna take a picture and we're gonna start our adventure soon. Photo with Rodrin.
Guys, it's better to hit the flip-flops here. We're making a movie. Fun. Fun, we have fun at home.
Don't surf behind each other. And
Oh, that's okay. Right. Guys. Now,
don't put the ball like this.
everything on the learn to surf in safety.
So we're surfers already, right?
So we met beautiful people here. You are from
Germany.
Germany, and you are? Italy. All right, Italy. And here are the Portuguese coaches with us. Portugal. And we are from Malta, and we are gonna be a good team. Woo! We did the surfing here in Paniche and it went really well. How did you feel? Did you go surfing?
Not too bad for the first time, I guess.
Not so bad.
I'm getting used to the taste of sea salt.
It was really nice.
And the Italian, what's your name?
Andrea.
Andrea, how did you go? It was fun. It was fun and very good for our first time. Here is our instructor. You want to say something?
Yeah, which team won? Which team won?
Which team won?
Blue team. Not sure about that. I saw a couple of falls, okay? So I guess the white team won this time.
Oh,
You all did great, okay, guys?
well done.
Really, really fun. You are professional surfers now.
Professional. Thank you for watching this episode from Portugal. And don't forget to check out the description below to sign up and become a member at WonderNet community and benefit from this experience. And see you there and connect with other travelers. Ciao!